EduPod Central.
Hey, hey, hey! Welcome back to EduPod Central, your favorite place to learn English with laughs, love, and a little bit of coffee, or tea, or bubble tea, whatever makes you happy.
That's right. If you're new here, first of all, hi and welcome. Second of all, you're in the perfect place to start learning English. This episode is for total beginners, level A1. So don't worry if you only know hello and goodbye. That's already 20% of English.
Facts. Today, we're going to talk like real people. Like, imagine we're meeting for the first time. Hi, what's your name? Where are you from? Do you like pizza? You know, the important stuff.
Oh yeah, pizza is very important. In fact, if you speak English and bring pizza, we are already best friends. No test needed.
Section 1, Greetings and Introductions. Okay, let's start with greetings. Say it with me, people. Hello.
Hello.
Nice. Now let's try, hi, how are you?
Hi. How are you?
And you can answer, I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm hungry.
No, that's not the textbook answer.
I'm just being honest, but okay. Let's do it properly. I'm good, thank you. And you?
Perfect. Now let's do a quick role play. I'll be a new friend. You say hello and I'll answer.
Okay. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm great. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Boom! You just made a new friend in English. Section 2. Name, country, and age.
Let's talk about names. It's always the first question, right? What's your name?
What's your name?
Now answer, my name is your name. But of course don't say your name. That would be weird.
Unless your name is your name, then it's cool.
Let's try it. What's your name?
My name is Beyonce.
Okay, Queen. And where are you from?
I'm from the moon.
Okay, for real. Let's help our listeners.
Yes, you can say, I'm from Indonesia. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Japan.
Repeat after me. I'm from your country.
Now, age. You might hear, how old are you?
And you answer, I'm 20 years old, or 30, or 15, or 100.
100? What are you doing listening to this podcast? Go party.
Hey, learning never stops.
Section 3, Family and Home. Let's talk about your home. Not like where you live exactly. Don't worry, no Google Maps needed. Just city or country.
You can say, I live in Jakarta. I live in Cairo. I live in Paris.
And then family. The drama, the fun, the people who finish your food.
You can say, I have one brother. I have two sisters. I have no siblings. That means no brother, no sister.
Or say, I live with my parents. Or I live with my cat. Meow.
Or I live alone. And I love it.
Section 4, Daily Routines. Let's talk about daily life. What do you do in the morning?
Wake up, check my phone, regret checking my phone.
No lies detected. But here's how to say it in English. I wake up at 7 o'clock. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast.
And then I go to work. I go to school. I study English.
Aw, yeah. If you say I study English, you get a gold star.
And a virtual high five. Ping!
Section 5, Likes and Dislikes. Now let's talk about things we like and don't like.
I like pizza. I don't like traffic.
I like music. I don't like cold showers. Brr.
You can also say, I love movies. I hate homework. Don't tell your teacher.
We won't tell. Section 6, Basic Grammar Tips, Fun Style.
Let's pause for a quick grammar tip.
Ugh, grammar. But wait, we'll make it fun.
Let's talk about to be. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, they are.
So, for example, I am tired.
You are funny. He is smart.
She is late.
Again, she is late.
It is cold.
We are ready.
They are students.
Boom. You just did grammar like a boss.
Section 7, Easy Vocabulary Game. Let's play a quick game. I say a word. You say what it is.
Okay. First word is apple.
It's a fruit. Apple.
Chair.
You sit on it. Chair.
Cat.
The boss of the house. Cat.
Okay, now you try, listeners. Book. What is it?
Yes, something you read. Book. Section 8. Final role play. Let's talk like friends. Okay, let's have a full conversation for practice.
Yes, you be the listener. We will talk.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Alex. What's your name?
My name is Sam. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Mexico. And you?
I'm from Canada. How old are you?
I'm 21. You?
I'm 24. What do you do?
I study English. What about you?
I work in a cafe.
Cool. I love coffee.
And just like that, you've had your first English conversation. Go you.
If you listened all the way here, you're amazing. Seriously, you are learning and you're doing it with style.
Don't forget to subscribe to EduPod Central for more fun English lessons. We're here every week with laughs, language, and weird jokes.
Next episode, talking about food. Yum, yum. You don't want to miss that.
Until then, keep smiling, keep speaking, and remember, English is fun with friends.
Thanks for vibing with me on EduPod Central. Like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you in the next one.